Hey, so if you want to start earning money by listing your hotel, apartment, or guest house on Booking.com, yeah, it's actually pretty simple once you know the steps. In this guide, I'll show you how to list a property on Booking.com step by step in 2026. First, go to the Booking.com partner or property registration page. Now sign up as a host or property owner using your email and basic details. Add your property name, location, and type, like hotel, apartment, or guest house. Upload high-quality photos and write a clear description of your property. Now set your room prices, availability, and booking rules like check-in and check-out times. Add your bank details so you can receive payments from guests. Booking.com may verify your property before it goes live. Once everything is ready, publish your listing and your property will appear on Booking.com. After publishing, you can manage bookings, pricing, and guest messages from your dashboard. And yeah, that's it. That's how you list your property on Booking.com and start getting bookings.